Pepperoni and cheese crisps. If you're looking for a gluten-free, low-carb snack or an appetizer for a party, this is it. You're going to need mozzarella cheese, provolone cheese, and parmigiano reggiano cheese, pepperoni, pizza sauce. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. This recipe is so easy. It comes together quickly, cook it in the oven, and then it's ready to go. So we're going to add our cheeses. We've got mozzarella cheese, these are all freshly shredded. Of course, you can buy it in the store in a bag. Okay, provolone cheese. And yes, it is kind of hard to tell them apart. And parmigiano reggiano cheese. Okay, that can't be any easier. Then we're going to add our seasoning. So I have Italian seasoning. Oh, I'm doing half a recipe. Okay, we've got onion powder and garlic powder. So a full recipe would make about 24 to 30 depending on the size, but I'm just going to make 12. I've got my parchment paper that I've sectioned off. I folded it. I now have 12 spots, so it'll use as a guide for where I want my piles of cheese to go. So I'll just start here in the corner. It will spread, so watch the size of your cheese. Next, we're going to do the pizza sauce, or you can use marinara sauce, either one. And we're just going to put a little dot on each one. Okay. Now, we just stick a pepperoni on top. Kind of push that down. And then just keep going. Okay, our cook time says 12 minutes, 9 to 12. But keep an eye on it because it might be ready much sooner. And now we wait. Okay, we're going to take them out of the oven much sooner than expected. But they are brown. So it was about 6 minutes in my oven. How cool does that look? Now we are going to let them cool, and then we're going to top them with some parsley. One thing I would definitely recommend is when they come out of the oven is to put them on some paper towels to soak up any grease. So now we're going to try pepperoni and cheese crisps. But first, I'm going to put some parsley on. So you can use fresh.
These are pretty neat. It's like a pizza without any
Crust. Yeah.
We've had little pepperoni rolls or pizza rolls where they roll up the cheese and the pepperoni. So this is a flat version of that. We have to make those roll-ups.
Oh, yeah.
We used to get them over at the beach in the summer.
Oh, okay. That sounds
cool
good.
Italian restaurant.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah. So a couple recommendations when they come out of the oven. Oh, first, before they go in the oven, I would do 2 layers of parchment. Well, wait a minute. You're getting ahead of us. 2 layers of parchment paper. It kind of helps catch some of the oil from the cheeses. And then when they come out, I would put them on paper towels.
Oh, definitely. The cheese has a lot of oil in them. So
Right.
definitely want to soak that up.
Yeah, so let that sit for a few minutes. And the timing, 9 to 12, that's too much. I would do 6 to 9, and I'll change that because, of course, the recipe is going to be in the description box.
These are so
Okay.
cool.
You going to dip yours?
I'm going to go like this first.
Okay. So we have the pizza sauce for dipping.
Amazing. So cool. So easy. Mm-hmm. Wow.
I like that.
We had these at a party last weekend. Mm-hmm. They're
We
pretty
made 'em.
popular.
Everybody liked them. It's a great idea for a party. Maybe we can throw in some pictures at the end of this video to show you. I am going to double dip because it's ours and it's just us. Ooh.
I'm going for number 2. I will dip this time. Doesn't really need the pizza sauce. It's so delicious as it
It
is.
doesn't. So you can use it or not. I like the idea of doing it. So gluten-free and low carb. I like it. And it's good and it's fast and it's easy. So what more could you ask for?
Well, thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget, new video every Sunday.
Yep, every Sunday, new video.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.
I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had